Hi, Mike, and everyone with AirMax Heating and Cooling. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We're a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own. So 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. First of those being content. So contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside sources like HomeAdvisor and Angie's List. So content is not just the words on your website. Content is also the pictures and what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So one thing I would like to point out is that you guys actually don't have a fill form. So I would highly recommend getting a fill form right at the main page of your website so that your customer can go, okay, John Johnson, email, phone number, I need a new furnace, call. And then it goes right to your phone. But you do have a fill form for email, which is fine, but I'm not sure how much value this is actually bringing you. So back to content. Content is king. Google loves content. 1,500 words is what we recommend on any page you're trying to rank. And then this is your main page. I'm going to say you have less than 150 max. So if we go over to your services, it's just our services. Basically, you have a list of everything that you do, whereas each one of these should actually have their own page with 1,500 words. And that's going to help you rank. And so I would highly recommend to add more pages and have each one of these services with 1,500 words because all these search engines are going to pick that up on the back end and they're going to rank you, especially Google. Also, these photos. So how these photos are saved matters too. So a lot of times when we upload photos, they're saved as what the computer automatically generated them to be saved as, and not necessarily what you want. So do some research and save all your photos as the buyer intent keywords that you want to implement in your business. Other than that, moving forward, so what a citation is. So citations. Basically anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories throughout the web is going to give you a citation. So some examples would be Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, the Chamber of Commerce, Facebook. Those are all going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I typed in Cincinnati, Ohio HVAC. We got Nelson, we got American, we got Apollo. Okay. I didn't see AirMax. This is where you want to be. This is where the volume, this is where the people are going to call. And if you're not here, what we mean by ranking organically, which has to do with the content and backlinks on your website, is you want to be right here. So as you can see, like Schmidt, they're doing some back-end work on their website to get them to this position, but they're not in the map pack. So they're doing something right with their website because they're not in the map pack. You got Schmidt, you got Logan, you got Thomas Galbraith, you got Apollo Home, you got Go Zimmer, you got John Lee. So you guys aren't here. This is where you want to be. So do some research, get yourself some more citations. Next, I have your map pack pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. You guys have 206 reviews. 3.9. So we recommend 25 reviews minimum. So you guys have well above 25. Maybe keep pushing to raise that 3.9 up a little bit, but you do have 206 reviews, and that is what we look for. Also, you have your website listed, your phone number, your hours, and your address. So that's good. You do have a complete profile. The only other thing I'd like to point out is these photos on here. So we do recommend 10 photos. Looks like you have 10. Not sure all of their relevance. But you're going to want to make sure that all of these photos are saved properly. Because if they're just saved as whatever the computer decided to save them as, it's not helping you out at all. So go in, make sure those photos are saved properly, make sure these are the photos that you want representing your business to the public. Yeah. And then the last thing I'd like to talk about is backlinks. Yeah, you guys got a ton of photos here. So if you save those properly, this will help you dramatically with your GMB. And then the last thing is backlinks. So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with backlinks. Looks like you don't know because you only have 10 of them. What a backlink is anywhere that airmaxohio.net is listed on the internet is going to give you a backlink. You guys actually have 10 backlinks from 7 referring domains, but your domain rating is 0. So when you're in search of your backlinks, you want to make sure to get relevant backlinks with relevant content and not spamming. Otherwise, it can actually dock you. So looks like, I'm not sure if this is a new website. I didn't look up how long your website's been around. But either way, you're going to want to go ahead and get some more backlinks. Just remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting your backlinks from relevant sites that are not spamming. Other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope you implement these tools to bring this website to the point where it's bringing you more work than any other avenue of lead generation. Other than that, any questions or comments are appreciated, and I hope your 2021 is prosperous, and thank you for watching.